It costs a lot of money to keep one of these things on the road. The list of stuff to the truck and the trailer just keep kind of coming. And with the bigger truck comes a bigger maintenance expense.
No one forgot that you're cheap, babe. Who didn't sing the trash song?
We didn't sing the trash song. I love this meme and I love this shirt. No way. I think you got to be ready with the balloon faster.
Good morning. We are in Lufkin, Texas, and I'm gonna start the day off by taking this truck to get a little service done today and a little work.
Man, it's good to have my truck back. Granted, it was only gone for a couple of hours there. Last week when I was cleaning this thing up in Arkansas, I noticed I had a leak at the rear differential, which turned out to be a bad pinion seal. So I was down here cleaning the truck, wiping some things down, noticed a little bit of oil right here out of our rear differential. So it sure looks like we have a pinion seal leak. So the list of stuff to the truck and the trailer just keep kind of coming. So I will get on the phone this week and make some calls and see how much this is going to cost me. Lufkin Ford here in Lufkin, Texas did an excellent job. Excellent customer service. They ordered my parts ahead of time. I sent them some pictures of what was going on. Took care of everything. Angela rolled in this morning, dropped it. They had a shuttle car waiting on her to bring her back to camp. They kept it about 2 hours, and it's all said and done. So our Super Duty is locked and loaded, ready to go back out on the road. We got the new pinion seal done, and they did a last-minute oil change for us, which was awesome since we forgot to ask about it until we got there. Lufkin Ford, amazing, best Ford dealer service I've had since I've owned this truck, or any of my other Fords for that matter. Very happy with them. With that said, it costs a lot of money to keep one of these things on the road. The first year we had virtually no maintenance costs because we were all under warranty, and I only had a couple of little nickel and dime things to be taken care of under warranty. This time last year we were at 36,000 miles. Today we're sitting at 72,000, and we've had to put some money into the truck this year. So what did today's pinion seal repair cost us? About 270 bucks, and by the time we got a synthetic oil change and a tire rotation, it was just a touch over $400. I got to looking at what we spent on this truck in the past 12 months, so from 36,000 miles to 72,000 miles, excluding oil changes, we've spent a bit of money here. We put about $1,300 into a set of tires, 500 bucks into a set of batteries, $350 into a set of plugs and wires. We had a transmission service that I think cost somewhere around the $300 or $400 range, and then today's pinion seal repair. So in 12 months, maintenance and repair, not including oil changes because those vary from place to place and you have to do them, we've spent $2,670 on maintenance and repair for this truck. But only one of those repairs, the pinion seal today, was a non-maintenance item. The seal really shouldn't have failed. The rest of it's stuff that's either scheduled to be done or should be done on a regular basis. So not too bad, but it comes out to about 8 cents per mile. So be sure to factor these kind of things in to your overall budget when you go full-time. I didn't do a great job factoring in all my maintenance expenses. For instance, I really thought my truck would have gotten more like 60,000 miles out of the first set of tires instead of 48, like my half tons. I found out heavy-duty trucks eat tires a little faster, especially when you tow as much as we do. The trailer tires, I sure didn't think were going to be gone when they were, so I got to budget that a little bit differently next time. Super happy with the truck, but keep in mind, with the bigger truck comes a bigger maintenance expense. We're really happy to have this thing all done. I've got it cleaned up. We're ready to hit the road with it again here in a few days, after we have a little bit of fun here in Lufkin.
We're about to go do something that we're pretty excited about. Cody and I love donating to local animal shelters. We do try to find some no-kill when we can. But I have some stuff that we picked up in Arkansas, and I've been trying to give it away for 3 states.
Hold on, stop for a second. You picked it up in Arkansas because we were going to go to the animal shelter in Arkansas. Then we got tied up eating barbecue with Isaac and didn't get there before they closed.
That's right, not 3 states, but 3 different stops. I've been trying to give this away. So we're gonna go try to catch them and give this stuff away and get it out of the camper.
And just hope they take it.
So that's bittersweet. It's really hard to walk in there and walk out
Without a dog.
It's tough.
Or 5 dogs.
But as she reminded us, it is good for them to socialize, to smell things, just to see interaction and see people, see different people.
They were kind of going crazy when we first walked in. I mean, it's like that every time, and then after you're around and they smell you and lick you a little bit, you know, they calm down, but they get lonely just like we do, and that stuff's important.
Something we've been wanting to do is volunteer at the shelters more. The problem is a lot of these places want you to take classes, and so that we just kind of wrote it off because we move so often. This is a reminder, maybe check. This might be something that you could do. It's good for everyone, I think,
Yeah.
right?
Don't dump your dogs, but I know sometimes there's very significant circumstances that cause rehoming to be needed, and that's what these places are for. So good job to them for having a really nice, clean facility.
Maybe we'll come back.
We've had a casualty, or we're about to have a casualty. We have a white coffee pot we bought for our old Keystone hideout. It's followed us through 3 campers and an apartment, and the glass is finally cracked on the pot, and it's been brewing slower and slower.
We've bought very expensive coffee pots and they don't last, and so we started buying these $12, $15 ones.
Yeah.
And it's been great.
It cost us $1 a year. I'd say we got our money's worth.
Now we're gonna go buy another cheap coffee pot.
So this came in at $19.99. So at the rate of $1 per year like the last one, this should last us almost 20 years. I just was hoping to come out under 20 bucks, and this was $19.95.
Oh, tax.
It was on sale.
Well, you win some, you lose some.
If I get 20 years out of it, I'll be happy.
Let us know what your coffee routine is. Are you a coffee snob?
I'm cheap. I love a good cup of coffee, but I will maintain that my $20 coffee pot makes it just fine.
No one forgot that you're cheap, babe. We're starting out our Saturday this morning, early, foggy, and we're gonna go play with some animals.
Yeah, we're gonna go right back to the Humane Society we checked out the other day. They were open to having us come in and do a little volunteer work for them this morning. So we're gonna go over and see what kind of trouble we can get into.
And I have to fight Cody from dragging a dog home.
We already made an agreement.
Who didn't sing the trash song?
We didn't sing the trash song. I got it up to about 40 and saw it flopping around in the rearview mirror, and I'm like, whoop! Glad we didn't hit the interstate yet.
We had a lot of fun playing with the animals, and they need a lot of help. They were frantically running around like crazy. Every time we walk in, they stay busy. So just something to think about if you're looking for a volunteer opportunity, something nearby. Even simple things help them a lot.
People bring them stacks and stacks of newspapers to dry out the kennels with, and somebody's got to unfold all the newspapers and stack them and move them and stack and stock dog food and clean the floors and
sanitize, wash dishes, wash clothes,
I think
wash
I might have
bedding.
washed 100 dog bowls, but the payoff was that we got to play with the puppies, and that was really great. You can tell those dogs are just starved for attention, so sad to leave, but it felt good to go.
So we're not going to beat it into the ground, but we did want to encourage someone that may have thought about doing it. Just stop in. They'd probably be really happy to have you. So now we're going to go bathe and go see what the rest of the day brings us. Today we're celebrating Cody's birthday. Thanks for the local recommendation for the lunch box. They do serve like food, like sandwiches and salads and soups and stuff. But their biggest thing is they have cakes and cupcakes and tea cakes, and they're pretty incredible.
We bought them yesterday, or Angela planned this as a surprise, but the surprise didn't go very far because we got into them last night, as you can see. But I will say they are delicious, and I think they'll go great with a nice cup of coffee.
And then we will never do this again. We got to get our life together.
But calories don't count on your birthday.
That's very true.
Well, thank you guys for hanging out and sharing my birthday with me. Glad you guys could make it. But this is all mine. You're just gonna have to envision. I think all the glue stayed on the paper though. Yep. All the glue stayed on the paper.
You didn't get it. You peeled all the stuff off.
There we go. Mustache kisses.
It's not much, but you have to do the impersonation.
I love this meme and I love this shirt. My favorite meme becomes my favorite shirt. Excellent. And in a few years we'll make a video about how it has holes here and here and here and here. And, you know, it's faded to white or gray. Yes, I will cherish it always.
You're about to lose your mustache.
Got little hair fibers all in my...
Do I look surprised?
I have that little Bilstein sticker on here, the little transparent one.
Cody, look. I saw this on Pinterest. I'm gonna try it.
I just washed that shaker.
I'm doing an experiment.
What are you doing? No way.
Here, let's give it a little shake.
I think you need more stuff. You just clean the house. Now you done it.
Okay, that was too much. Okay.
It becomes a quest. Now what? I think you got to be ready with the balloon faster. I think that's the... Maybe we should just blow these up by.
Oh.
Where'd that go?
One more again, and then I'm going to let this go. It smells like vinegar in here. Here, you pour.
Okay. I'm going to hold the bottom of it.
I'm going to be ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Realize, go, 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 go. Hurry, hurry, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Hurry. Oh, it's coming.
Man. Oh, it's going back down.
Go, 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 go. That's a big one. Oh, Lord. This could turn ugly.
Okay, give it a little shake, shake. I'm a little scared.
I ended up with a black eye from a blown up balloon on my birthday. Well,
I want to try it one more time. Just one more again.
I just watched that shaker.
Well, I just cleaned the house.
So let's do a science experiment. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's good, that's good, that's good. Here we go.
Go, 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 go. Oh. Oh, it filled up
it's put water
inside the balloon.
Thinking.
But it's supposed to float.
Like, actually, like, not fall to the ground. We missed a step somewhere, that's all I know.
Alright, I'm done with this science experiment.
I wanted to circle back here at the end of this video, not to put a damper on an overall very fun and positive trip and video down here in Lufkin, Texas, but I wanted to follow up and revise our review on Lufkin Ford just a little bit. Overall, the experience was great. They did contact us the day after we got the truck back. They did contact us on the day after we got the truck back and said, hey, we had a mistake. We put conventional motor oil in instead of synthetic motor oil. If you bring it back, we'll dump it and change it. I didn't want to waste 8 quarts of oil and a filter for that. I can just short cycle the truck service next time. So we simply asked for a refund of the difference. They were going to check on it and call us back. About a week later, we hadn't heard anything, so we reached back out to them and they were unable to offer a refund. Basically told us our options were to come in and waste 8 quarts of oil or lose the money. We opted to just lose the money because I couldn't stand to see 8 quarts of good motor oil get drained out. So it was a little bit of a negative on the end of it. Overall positive experience. So if you know of a great Ford dealer that you trust for everything, that always seems to get it right and give you great customer service, let me know, because I need a partner that I can deal with. When we have stuff go wrong, we can stop, check in, get it resolved, know that it's going to be done right, and get on down the highway. So I'm going to give Lufkin Ford a B. We're just taking them down from an A because of the lack of communication and follow-up. I totally understand mistakes happen. I make them. Everybody out watching this makes them. Mistakes aren't the problem. It's all how you handle it on the back end. But I started this video by giving an awesome review and an A+ review for Lufkin Ford. I just wanted to be open and transparent with you all that we did have something happen after the fact that changed our opinion just a little bit. So hopefully that helps you guys.